Hi friends, this is your Lesson 5 exit ticket. So for this problems, you are going to show me 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less. So if you look at number 1, I want you to draw 1 more than 24, okay? So you're going to draw 1 more and then tell me what that number is. 1 more than 24 is. Then for number 2, I want you to show me and draw 10 more than 24, okay? So you're going to draw a 10 stick and then tell me how many 10 more is than 24. Then for these down here, you're going to tell me less, okay? So I want you to cross off showing me 10 less than 30, okay? So I want you to cross off one of these and tell me what 10 less than 30 is. Then for this last one, I want you to cross off and show me 1 less than 30. Which one is 1, or show me 1 less than 30 and then write that number here on the line.